Now, in this video, I'm going to tell you when are a pair of lines. So let's say, for example, you are given the equations of two pair of lines. Okay, when would these be intersecting or coincident or parallel? Right? Now, basically, in order to find out when these lines are intersecting, coincident or parallel, what we need to do is, let's say, for example, you have the equation of two lines as under a1x plus b1y plus c1, where x and y are the variable, a1 b1 are the coefficients of x and y, and c1 is a real number, right? And the second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. The lines will be intersecting, which means that they will be meeting each other if a1 upon a2, a1 is this, a2 is this, is not equal to b1 upon b2, which is this, right? The line will be coincident. Okay, coincident means they are coinciding if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, and graphically they will look something like this. Okay, I mean, they are coinciding with each other. You have one line going like this, one like going like this, and they will be parallel if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, so it will be something like this. The two lines will be this. Now let me just give you a small example of each one of them. So let's say, for example, there are two lines which are like 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, 4x plus 6y is equal to 12. In this case, if you see, a1 upon a2 will be 2 by 4, b1 upon b2 will be 3 upon 6, and okay, let me just put this like plus is equal to 0, and c1 upon c2 will be 6 upon 12. Now if you notice, in all these three cases, 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, and 6 by 12 is equal to 1 by 2. Or in other words, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. On the other hand, if I had something like 2x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, okay, and I had 3x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. In this case, if you see, a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 by 3, okay, and this b1 upon b2 is equal to 4 upon 5, and these two are not equal, right? So we say that these two lines are intersecting because a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. On the other hand, for the parallel lines, if I had, let's say, same equation, 2x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, right? But here I have, let's say, for example, 4x plus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. Again, if I take a1 upon a2, 2 by 4, b1 upon b2, 4 by 8, c1 upon c2, 8 by 15, right? Now while this is equal to 1 by 2, this is equal to 1 by 2, this is not equal to 1 by 2. Or in other words, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but is not equal to c1 upon c2, right? c1 upon c2 here is different. So we can say that these lines are parallel, right? And we'll do one question each in terms of how these two mix together and how can we find out whether these are parallel, coincident or intersecting.